Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Mariam Irfan and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a landscape painting with acrylic paints. So I'm using Mary's acrylic paints and these are my acrylic paints. So for the painting you need a canvas and I've covered the canvas with water so that we have to use blending technique in this painting. So I've applied water on the canvas because the paints should blend completely. So let's start the painting. Now I'm gonna use ultramarine blue for the upper side. I've applied some ultramarine blue on the canvas and now I'm gonna blend it with the help of the brush. Make sure you don't cover all the canvas with ultramarine blue. We are covering just a little bit of part because on the rest we are gonna make sea and take some water and just blend this. So guys, after blending it looks like this. Now I'm gonna use flatter blue for a bit sky look. So now I've applied some flatter blue over here and I'm gonna blend it. So after complete blending it looks like this. And now I'm gonna apply in the second one I'm gonna use some crimson and titanium white. I'm gonna mix crimson and titanium white and then paint on it. After mixing crimson and white it looks like this, and now I'm gonna paint this over here. And use the blending technique over here. I'm gonna mix these both colors. After blending, so it looks like this, and I'm gonna do the same blue over here and make the sea. After blending this, it looks like this, and I've applied some titanium white for a sea look. I'm just going to blend this. Properly and just mix this and blend this properly so that no white paint should left over here and it should look like a sea. If your blue paint has mixed with this red paint, please draw a line. So my paint was mixed, so I've drawn a line, and when the paint dries I'm gonna paint some red over here. So we don't have to blend the sea and this reddish area, so we just have to blend the sky and this reddish area and make a straight line for the sea. The paint was dried and then I painted red all above, and now it looks like this. And now I'll let this all painting dry, so then we'll make trees on this red section and some fishes or ships on this blue section, which is the sea. The paint has dried completely, and now I'm going to make some trees with the help of black acrylic paint and make the reflection on the of the trees on the sea. So I just draw a straight line and then I'm taking black paint and drawing trees. So this is the reflection and the trees and reflection of trees on the water. And now I'm gonna just take some white paint and do some shades of white in the sea. The reflection is done, the shade of white is done, and now stars are left. And then after stars we'll make a ship, and then our painting will be completed. I mixed white paint and water, and then for stars this is a star brush, and this is like very good for sprinkling and like this. I'm just cleaning, I will clean this with tissue. So this is the star look I have given to the painting. I hope it is looking good, and this painting is basically for beginner. So I'm also a beginner and I just love painting. Painting is my hobby, and just look at this painting. I'm letting the stars dry and then I'll make ship. So guys, this is the final look of my painting. A perfect night sky. So this is the ship I made, and this is all a night sky and a perfect night sky.